How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Santa. It's going to be simple, easy, and completely for beginners. So get ready. We're about to draw Santa, okay? Another version of him. There's a lot of different ways to draw Santa. This is just kind of one of them, right? Before I do that, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw. All right, let's get going on Santa. It's just going to be like the head on this one. I'm going to curve. I'm going to throw a line here for the nose. It's going to look like a bean or something, like that bean shape. A line. I mean like a shape. I'm going to go over here. Curve line here for one eye. Curve line here for the other eye, and maybe I'll throw a little bit thicker of a line there for the eyes because they are the focus. Gonna go over here, curve for the mustache area of the beard, curve over here for the mustache area of the beard, curve up here. Alright, gonna go around here and I'm gonna start with the lower portion of the beard, curve over here, zigzag down, curve over here, zigzag down, line over here, another shape, that one's for the eyebrow, over here for this eyebrow. Gonna draw a line over here on the side of the head, line over here side of the head, line out a little bit for the brim of the hat, down for the side of his hair, line over here for the side of his hair, and line for the side of the brim of the hat. We're gonna connect the eyebrows here, and that's actually gonna be the bottom of the brim of the hat. Going over here on the side, and I'm gonna draw a couple of dots up, dot, 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 dot. Same thing across all the way for his hat there, for the brim of his hat. I'm going to go over here and draw a curve for the top of the hat, down, line up, about the center of this line. I'm going to go over here, curve down. Over here I'm going to go right here, draw that popcorn ball. Over here on the bottom here I'm going to draw a little bit of a zigzagging, that, you know, maybe the bottom of his like beard, mouth, the beard part of his mouth. Let's go over here, give it a little bit of color. I'm going to go in with a red. Let me see. The red here just for the hat. You can use anything you want, by the way. You can use a you can use a marker, a crayon, or anything that you like. It's really up to you. So like I said, just pick any tool you like. It's pretty good, you know. Over here. So like I prefer colored pencil, but the reason I'm using marker is because it's quicker to demonstrate with. So I can keep this relatively short. All my videos are like 8-ish minutes, so I want to keep it around that time. Line over here. See how quick that was to color that hat? I tend to use Prismacolor. Every now and then, though, I use this other one here, Copic. Either one of these is good. Uh, if whatever you choose is fine. You can even use Crayola. I use Crayola a lot as well. The problem with Crayola though is that Crayola smears the black ink from the marker. So I always use Crayola for the black lines, but not the coloring, because I use it so much. Gonna go over here. And fill in the face here. I'm just using like a light orange for the face. There you go. Left a little line right there of white for some shine to kind of make it look like shine. And now I'm going to grab like a blue, a light blue. I don't know if I have a light blue actually. Do I have a light blue? Yeah, I have a light blue right here. I think this is it. Nope, that's like a purple. I do. Okay, I got it now. Yeah, sorry, because I knew I had a light blue. And what it is, you basically draw like a thin line around the outer edge of anything that's white, and it makes it look like it's reflecting off the surfaces of stuff. Right there. Line underneath. Line around here, underneath here, over here. See, just along the edges, it gives it. It has to be light blue though. If you put like a dark blue, I mean, it can work, but it really gives it like a little bit more of a dimensional look if you put a light blue. Just around, like I said, you can put it around all the edges, like I am. Or you can put it around just one side, usually the bottom side. I want to thank you very much for following me. You are amazing, and you're the reason that I do this stuff. I can't believe I'm still drawing online after 8 years or so. I want to draw much longer, but like I said, I need your help. I need you to hit that like and share. When you share, it brings a lot of people. It helps the algorithm out here, and I can do this for a lot longer. So thank you so much. I will see you. Merry Christmas.